Hello, little friends. Today we're going to draw a cute baby shark. Let's learn step by step. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's draw a big round shape. This will be the shark's head.
Woo!
Now, draw 2 big round eyes and 2 tiny dots in the middle for the nose.
Woo!
Next, draw a wide smiling mouth. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Inside, add sharp triangle-shaped teeth just like a real shark. Let's draw 2 fins on each side like little arms, and a pointy fin on top of the head.
Woo!
Now draw a curvy body going down, and finish with a wiggly tail at the bottom.
Woo!
Body light yellow. Fins and tail dark blue. Eyes black with white sparkle. Teeth white. Inside the mouth light pink. Let's color it in. Our baby shark will look super cute with all these fun colors.
Baby, a shark swims in the sea. Baby, a shark swims in the sea. Baby, shark swims in the sea. Baby, a shark swims in the sea. Smiling wide and full of glee. 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 Teeth so sharp but eyes so bright. 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 He brings us joy and pure delight. 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 Come on, friends, let's draw him too. Come on, friends, let's draw him too. With colors bright, just me and you. With colors bright, just me and you. With colors bright, just me and you. With colors bright, just me and you.
Woo!
If you had fun, give us a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Kiddo Color Club. See you next time with more fun drawing. Bye bye.